Doon siya nanalo sa Mandaluyong. Tinalo niya si Chukchay Battery.
Tama,
with a
oo.
5th round knockout. Although pa rin yung laban na yun, medyo nahihirapan si Manny Pacquiao.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the Philippines, Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao. Ronnie, this is again first Pacquiao sa katawan dahil binabayo siya ng binabayo sa loob, ano? Pero fortunately tumama siya ng isa
Sa noo.
Oo, sa noo at
Nahilo yung si
talagang
3K
medyo
Battery.
nagsulungkit yung mata ng kalaban. Hindi na.
Actually, Reka, alam mo, itong si Manny Pacquiao, natural lang na maging popular dito sa South Cotabato. Pero sa buong Pilipinas, alam natin, nakilala ang galing at gilas nitong si Manny Pacquiao. Round number 1 is underway, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Well, Pacquiao is fighting in the red trunks, and the Thai Singwon Cha is in the white trunks. Both of them are southpaws. Of course, Pacquiao likes to go for an early knockout. He's got a record of 21 wins, 13 by KO. He lost only once, and he hasn't drawn a fight. So he's a very, very aggressive fighter.
Well, he's already at it, Ronnie, and the crowd here already loving the action that they've seen so far. He's leading off with his right, but Singwon Cha also connects with his right of his own.
Yes, Manny Pacquiao waiting for the right and then the left, but the Thai caught him with a good right.
Ronnie, unfortunate dito ang kumukuha ng katawan si Manny Pacquiao dahil I expected the Thai to go for the body, having learned from his
Pacquiao
opponent.
connects with
That
a
was a
beautiful
good left.
Left-right combination there by Manny Pacquiao, and he's trying to go for the kill.
Yes, he connect with a good left uppercut, and Singwon Cha is in a little bit of trouble. Pacquiao going after him. You know, it's a very hot afternoon, and I hope this boy doesn't punch himself out. He's got to put Singwon Cha away early.
Well, Singwon Cha himself is full of heart, Ronnie. He's getting hit, but he is also hitting back.
Malalakas yung binibitawan ni Pacquiao. Nakita mo yung kung paano mag-snap yung ulo nung Thai, ano?
Ito, nako, medyo nahihilo na, Reka.
Ala, kinukuha sa katawan eh. Tama.
Ayun na.
Wala na, kinuha sa katawan eh.
Well, Manny Pacquiao was hitting almost at will. Singwon Cha trying gamely as Bruce McTavish, the referee, counts him out.
It's all over.
Oh, spectacular first round win by Manny Pacquiao.
And look at the
before
crowd.
adoring hometown or townmates here in Coronadal, South Cotabato.
And look at the crowd.
Halos hindi pinawisan itong si Manny Pacquiao. Maandon, Reka, mga 10 ni Manny, mga 2 lang para doon sa Thai.
Actually, ang in-expect nyo dahil nakausap ko yung mga taga-Thai, nakita nila yung nilaro ni Pacquiao dun sa Chukchay Battery last June. Nahihirapan sa katawan si Manny, pero ito, si Manny, binaliktad niya yung lamesa at siyang kumuha sa katawan.
Ayan po, nakita na po ninyo ang huling mga sandali ng labang ito. We show it to you again. There's a big left and a right there to the body. Kinatawan muna, Reka, pagkatapos dinala sa itaas at tumupi na lamang itong si Singwon